I don't know if alam mo to, no, that I was able to publish a book. The title of the book is Everyone's Financial Success Handbook. Because before me becoming an NLP master trainer, I was able to use all the tools and techniques that I've read from books to help me transform my life. And one of that area was personal finance. No, dati kasi burara ako sa pera. So I started reading books and I started applying the tools and techniques that they were teaching. And one of the most important things that I was able to learn from that experience was you need to take account your income and expenses. Alam mo ba, when I discovered that, ay hindi ko alam before kung saan pumupunta yung pera ko. There was this instance that every 13th of the month, kasi magsisweldo na, mangungutang na ako niyan sa tita ko. Kasi after 2 days, magsisweldo na ako, I'll pay her back. But it became a habit, became a cycle na paulit-ulit na lang, and I started to ask myself, at ganun, right? Hindi naman ako ganun kamagastos, tapos hindi naman ako materialistic, pero bakit wala pa rin akong pera? Now, when I read the book, and then sinabi sa book na yun, na alam mo dapat saan pumupunta yung pera mo. So what I did, I started writing down all the things that I was putting my money into. Saan ako gumagastos nung time na yun. And it was 2010, imagine, ganun na katagal. 2010, dati may notebook pa ako niyan, sinusulat ko. And during that time, I was still a smoker nung time na yun. Ang lakas ko manigarilyo. So, sinusulat ko, pati yung 2 pesos, 2 piso pa yung sigarilyo nung time na yun. Write it down, pati yung pisong candy, susulat ko rin, pati yung pamasahe ko sa jeep. Then after 3 to 6 months of doing it consistently, meron akong nakitang pattern. Kaya pala wala ako paraging pera kasi ang laki ko sa bisyo. I would drink a lot and use all the money for drinking. So imagine, I was not aware that that was the amount that I was spending. Kaya pala wala akong kapera-pera. Alam mo yung nangyari, natauhan ako. Sabi ko, this has got to stop. I'm not going anywhere. Even if i-increase ko yung income ko, tapos ganun pa rin yung ugali ko, hindi ko alam saan pumupunta yung pera ko, useless pa rin yung effort ko. Trim down on the expenses. Dinahan-dahanan ko na yung pag-iinom. I started drinking out less. And what happened, after 2 years of doing it, I was able to save money. Ang galing, di ba? Because of that process of writing down my income and expenses, just learning where my money goes, and cutting down what are essentials, and also striving to increase my income along the way, I had money that I used nung nagpakasal kami ng wife ko. Imagine, hindi kami nabaon sa utang during our early years in marriage, but I was able to finance it. Tapos nung time na yun, manganganak rin yung wife ko, tapos CS pa. Imagine if you don't know where your money goes, mahihirapan ka when sa mga critical moments in your life that you need to shell out a certain amount of money. If you're starting, so isulat mo lahat ng income at expenses mo. If you want, you can download apps right now. Mas high-tech na ngayon. Mas efficient na ngayon kasi may apps na. Yung apps pa, pwede mo pang i-personalize. I use Money Manager, yung ginagamit ko. Mas maganda kasi nakikita ko talaga saan pumupunta. Very detailed. Every week, meron siyang graph. Every month and every year. So I could compare, could really see if anong week or anong month ako sobrang magastos, saan pumupunta yung pera ko, and I could adjust along the way. After doing it consistently, yung next ko na ituturo sa'yo will help you level up your personal finance. So, abangan.